Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I got my t-shirt in today, but it's too hot. I had it on earlier, so if you haven't checked out, it's going to be one of those Crazy Days t-shirts. Look in the description below. I think they're still offering them. They keep them open a couple of weeks in case late people want to order, you know. So probably about 3 or 4 more days left on that. Tank top. Do I look like a homestead hippie? This I bought last year because it was $1. You know, I like this kind of stuff. I like bright, colorful. Someone sent me a headscarf. I love these things, bright and colorful, everything. My muffins. A lot of people are wanting to know how to cook without using too many ingredients. A lot of your gluten-free items have recipes, I guess you should say, has so many items that you just have to go buy. This little cupcake is very moist. I'm trying to get it where I can show you. Okay, this cupcake is very moist. See? It's like any cupcake. It tastes like a little nutty taste. I used quinoa flour. To that, I added my baking powder and salt. And I added about a spoonful of tapioca flour. Okay, quinoa, tapioca you may not have. But you can grind up rice. You can grind up beans. Any kind of, I guess, legume or dried something that you have. Corn. It doesn't matter. You can any dried something. You could grind it up and use it as a flour. Acorns, nuts, almonds, walnuts, pecans. You can make a flour. And if you do that, you can make some sort of cake, cookie, a muffin. But I happen to have some quinoa flour, and all I did was add salt and baking powder to it. Just like you would plain flour, I guess you would say. I didn't have any eggs laid out because most of my eggs are frozen. My girls lay just a few eggs a day. We use them for other things. So I thought, okay, I don't want to take and lay out eggs and wait on them to thaw out and all that kind of stuff. So I said, I need something that's egg-free, just for those times when you don't have eggs. This little muffin, believe it or not, has no eggs. It has no butter. All I used was applesauce. I added applesauce and sugar and vanilla. Mixed it to my quinoa and came out with, voila, the perfect little muffin that tastes a little nutty because of the quinoa and very moist. I was really shocked. The applesauce made it extremely moist. You could throw in a few nuts. It'd be awesome. So gluten-free cooking does not have to be all about weird items and adding stuff to it. Simply take what you have available, make a flour with it, and add a few ingredients and you've got something to eat. If you have eggs, use eggs. If you have butter, use butter. If you have lard or Crisco or whatever you got to use, you know, you have to be your own judge. That's it. With cooking, it's whatever you have available at the moment. But I'm telling you, applesauce is the way to go if you don't have eggs or if you don't have butter. Add some applesauce. It doesn't matter if it's chunky or whatever. You can put it in a blender if it's too chunky. But this was homemade applesauce from Deep South Homestead. That's what I'm proud of, our applesauce. So guys, anytime you have anything that you want to cook, play with it a little bit. That's what it's all about. You might ruin a recipe a time or two. I have done that. But in the end, you'll find something that will work. So, thought I'd bring a little bit to you today. It's, as you can see, I'm in a tank top and a pair of shorts. It is about 80 degrees today. Okay, 2 days ago, we were in jackets. This weather's crazy. But we have things blooming everywhere. Let's hope it's spring. But Danny's telling me we may have one frost, if not a freeze, in March. Hope he's wrong. I don't want to lose all this stuff. But that's the way we roll here in South Mississippi. Some things work, some things don't. It all depends on the weather, and we can't control the weather. So thank you guys. It's going to be one of those crazy days. If you want a t-shirt, check out the links in the description and see if they're still available. And we will see you guys later. Thank you.